Hey folks, Cormac here, your Customer Success Manager at Project Central. And today we're looking at the problem of when there's too many projects in your account and you can't find the projects you need to, projects that matter. So to solve that problem, we have established the filtering button here. So if you click on filter, you can select any projects based on any number of criteria, say what the status of the project is completed or in progress, say who the project manager is, when the project was created, or maybe when the due date is, if you'd like to see projects that are due soon. So once you're happy with those criteria, you can press Save Filter, and that filter can be saved here for you to access at any point at a later date. Personally, I like the tagging system. Whenever I create a project that matters to me, I'll tag it either with my name or my department, and that way I can access it easily here rather than having to go through everyone else's projects. So to give you an example, if I go into this sample project and scroll down to the tag section, this is where you can add and remove tags. You can type a new one here, new tag, if you like, purple, or add an existing one, and that way you can pretty easily pop back in here and focus on the projects that are important to yourself. So hope that helps. Do give us a shout in the chat as always if you have any questions, and we will chat to you soon.